Everyone, welcome back to another 99 Dreams episode. Today I'm going to do something cool, showing off some new features and good content. So, coming up soon, we have the World Design Policy Conference, which is part of the World Design Capital of San Diego and Tijuana. That's, as you can see, in 20 days. I'll be speaking, and a bunch of brilliant presenters will be there. So, I wanted to do something fun with this. I'm going to take the URL and we're going to use our new Perplexity API integration. And we're also going to use a new theme using MUI, which is Material Design UI for React. And it's extremely popular with a lot of enterprises and one of the biggest UI platforms and frameworks on the planet. So we're going to use that today. So down here, I've got Dream MUI, and I'm going to say create an events app from this schedule. And we're just going to paste that URL. And you'll see up top, we're processing that now. That's going off and talking to Perplexity. And it's really fast, as you can see. I already came back with updated context. We've talked about context a lot with 99 Dreams, and it's kind of the lifeblood of AI, if you will. So if I click on View Context, I've got my URL that I sent, and you can see it's extremely well detailed and laid out for AI to understand what this thing is and what the content's going to be about. And you see we have our search powered by Perplexity. And if I close that, you can see the search context is attached. And our AI from Dream is going off and going to build this. It understands what it's doing, understands what theme it's using with MUI. I'm going to anticipate it doesn't have all the information because a lot of the information on the site is actually in images, but it did a darn good job just scanning it. You can see it's got tabs with all the different schedules and tracks, general, beyond borders, health, innovation. I'm speaking in the Beyond Innovation Day, so that'll be exciting. This is not bad for our first pass, and hopefully you Material UI fans out there are seeing like it's obviously Material UI design system. Now I'm going to push it a little bit. I want to see if I can actually take some of those images. So if I go back to the site, I go way down here. These are all images with the days and the tracks, and there's a lot of them. So I just went off and I created one combined image of all that. So I'm going to upload that next to Dream. I'm going to say, first I'm going to let it scan it. This is going to provide additional context, and we can add that context to the context we already saved from Perplexity. So that was quick. We sent it off to AI and it used vision. So start to think of these things almost like agents. Some of them are technically agents, but some of them are just AI doing things like scanning. That one scanned the image and set context, which I'll save. The other one, as we showed, talked to Perplexity. We have the Dream enhancements. That's another AI call that we do. And we have also improved our code review. So we've got one trained now for code reviewing. This is a tuned model from OpenAI. And it provides lots of kind of best practices. It knows the language it's supposed to be in. It even provides complete updated code. So it's just good to see that. Obviously, this built a good app in the first place, so we'll stick with that for now. But I'm going to see now if we can scan this attached image, which is one big image that I attached here with all the events, and see if we can actually pull the events from here. So I'm going to say add the sessions from this image to the existing app. I think that's good enough just to get started. So you can see also we've got some updated design patterns within Dream itself to where when we have attached search context, you can see it in the teal box here. We've got images showing in line and you can click on those and see them here. You can see the full image. So that's all good. If we attached other data like spreadsheets and such, you could see it from there. One other cool thing, just when this renders, might want to get this chat prompt out the way. So one of our biggest feature requests was to see if I could hide that. So we can unpin the chat now and it'll slide down to the bottom there. If you want to get back to it, you can see it and just go up and down. Or if you want it to stick again, you can pin it. So little improvements, but obviously we care about usability. Let's see if this will rebuild without any errors. And usually when I say the E word, we get something, but actually no errors. Cool. This is nice. So let me pop this open in a new tab. And obviously we support dark mode also with MUI. So let me turn that to light mode. And we have registration. So it definitely got some of the events, but I don't think I got all of them. Cool. Okay. So filter seems like it works. Let's see. And we've got Beyond Borders, Beyond Creative. I don't think it pulled every one of them, but this is not really that bad at all. For a quick little app. I can go back and iterate on it, and I will just to see if I can get all the events in there just pulling from an image. But it's a lot easier just to attach an image than to attach a bunch of spreadsheets or have to call a database. It's a really new workflow that I like with AI. But hopefully this excites you. Those of you MUI fans, let us know if this makes you happy, and we'll get you access. Uh, Perplexity, you're going to see this come up again and again. We're really happy with that search context that we can do now with live URLs and keep dreaming. I think that we're really getting excited here about all this, and we hope you are as well. Cheers.